My name is Achipat Kisnapan, PhD student, Mechatronics Engineering, Faculty of Technical Education, RMUTT. I would like to present experiment using C# to control the bringing of force LEDs simultaneously via Arduino microcontroller using digital pins 10 to 13 as control bits. C# microcontroller for my C# microcontroller PCL and IoT workbook 2.1. Categories of units. 1. Hardware. 2. Software. 3. Wiring diagram for thoroughly file Arduino and code. And 6. Result. Overview. Our goal to the is to build a PC application to remotely control LEDs connected to an Arduino by clicking buttons on our C# program. We will send commands to turn the LED on or off. Hardware, our one Arduino, 4 LED, 4 resistors, and breadboard. Software Arduino, Visual Studio, wiring diagram, wiring steps. LEDs output. First, we connect the 8 LEDs. The positive legs of each LED goes to a resistor to a digital pin from pin 10 to pin 13. This is for controlling each light. Common ground. Finally, we connect the negative leg of all 8 LEDs together into a single line, which then connects to the main ground pin on the Arduino to complete the circuit. Thirdly, serial port. The thing of serial communication like a phone call on single wire. We can't say multiple words at once. You must speak one word at a time in the sequence. Serial data works the same way. It is the process of sending digital data one bit at a time in the sequence over single wire. Password. Initial setup. Shopify, we use this to give easy nicknames to our pin numbers like LED pin 1 and the communication speed, baud rate. Sure, incoming option. We create a variable to store the command or a one that the computer sends to us. Part 2 was set up. This function runs only once when the board starts pin mode. We set our 4 LEDs to push up outputs ready to send power. Serial begin. This command starts the communication between Arduino and the computer. Part 2 voice loop. The function repeats forever to wait for commands. Listening for command. This first part acts like a gatekeeper. It constantly checks is there a new command from the computer. If so, it immediately lists and stores it. Make a decision after receive the command. The second part acts like a manager. It looks at the command is received. If the command is O, the manager orders the light to be turned off. If the command is 1, the manager orders light to be turned on. Visual Studio Code. Here is an explanation what each number part does. COM port selects the correct port for the Arduino. On button, send the 1 command to turn LED on. Off button, send the command to turn LED off. Start program. This part runs once. When the program starts, doors or the buttons disable the on or off buttons initially and then searches for available COM ports. Function connection. This function This function job is to connect the Arduino. It takes the port name you selected, set up the connection properties like speed, and try to open it. It also handles any error if the connection fails. Function update. This function updated the user interface. If the connected is true, it enables the on off buttons. If it's false, it disable them. It acts as the visual manager of our program. Function file port. This function only job is to scan the computer for available components and add their names, the drop-down menu combo box for you to choose them. Select port. This is a toggle for our auto connect feature. Every time select a different item is the drop-down menu. This code runs and it immediately calls the connect to the select port function. On top, when the on button is clicked, this code first checks if the port is actually open. If it is, this sends the correct one to the Arduino. The off button does the same but sends all. Thank you.